Here are top 5 reasons your visual boards are not working. Did you know that while 92% of people fail to achieve their New Year's resolutions, yet a select few can 2 times their chance to reach their goals? According to a survey, people who keep visual images of their goals are twice as likely to achieve them. If you are curious about visual board as a tool to achieve your goals or want up a notch effectiveness of your board for this year, you are in the right place. The best way to start is to learn what not to do. Let's explore the 5 key mistakes people do that negate visual boards' effectiveness. What I'm about to share isn't the usual positive thinking advice. These are evidence-based insights that combine modern productivity research with proven ancient wisdom. I am Natasha Clower, certified energy healer and life coach for men. Having worked in data and tech industry, I was deeply fascinated with the nuances that make manifestation and specifically visual boards effective. And after more than 15 years of testing various configurations and having studied deep wisdom of our ancestors, I believe I can speak with authority of why visual boards do not work for so many people. Let's begin. Top 5 reasons your visual boards are not working. As paradoxically as it sounds, people forget to start with the vision first. Research from Dominican University shows that people are 42% more likely to achieve their goals just by writing them down. Yet often people get so absorbed into creative process and start picking different pictures that look good, utterly bypassing the whole reason for the vision board, which is to convey your vision. So start with your vision first. Write it if it helps, then go find images. Second reason, the vision board is not aligned to critical pillars that make the year fulfilling. Again, similar with number 1, because it is a very creative process, people just pile all sorts of pictures to collage rather than to think strategically about all the elements of their life that will bring that inner and complete fulfillment at the end of the year. Modern research backs what ancient wisdom has long known. A Gallup study in 2018 across 10,000 professionals found that individuals who maintained goals across 5 or more life areas were 3.4 times more likely to report feeling fulfilled, 2.8 times more likely to describe themselves as thriving rather than surviving, and 68% less likely to experience the burnout. Also, in 2015, a study published in the Journal of Positive Psychology found that people who set goals across multiple life domains, career, relationship, health, reported 43% higher life satisfaction compared to those who focused on single domain goals. Research from Harvard Business Review confirms. It shows that executives who actively plan across multiple life areas, not just career, report 31% higher life satisfaction and 22% higher productivity at work. While ancient feng shui identified 9 key life areas, today's research confirms that this holistic approach leads to greater life satisfaction. Third reason, once the vision board is created, people forget to activate it. You see, the vision board is not just a pretty collage of pictures that make you feel great in the morning when you look at it. It is your North Star. It is your vision. It is a tool to facilitate the roadmap and the steps to lead you from where you're at now towards the end of the year. So the exact process of activation of your vision board is very important to make it work for you rather than just sit and collect dust somewhere. In fact, Psychology Today reports that 80% of people abandon their goals by February. A study by Dr. Gail Matthews from Dominican University found that participants who wrote down their goals and created accountability and tracking system to measure weekly progress was 76% more successful in achieving them compared to those who merely thought about their goals. So, activation process ensures a link between your vision board and your daily calendar with the reminders and steps. Fourth mistake that makes vision board ineffective is people begin with the wrong beliefs, with the limiting beliefs. According to research published in the Journal of Clinical Psychology, self-efficacy, which is believing in your ability to achieve goals, accounts for up to 40% of the difference between successful and unsuccessful goal achievers. In my experience, when people do not believe that what they're putting on their board as doable or achievable, or a second one that I found, a conflicting belief is that they do not believe that they're worthy to receive whatever the desires they're putting on the vision board. In those cases, the board doesn't work. My advice is that if you don't believe in vision boards as practical solution for you, healthy skepticism is okay, but not an absolute denial. Do not waste your time. Don't do it. Vision boards do not work for just maybe, just in case. It is a productivity tool, and it's a tool of bringing about matter into the reality. And as any other life-enhancing tool in practice, it requires you to be bought in from the start. 5. Last one is tricky one. It is ignoring or simply not being aware of the ancient wisdom that makes those vision boards powerful. There are lots of guidance on colors and shapes and how to use different tools to create them in Canva or PowerPoint. Yet there are far more important principles to know and leverage. The exact days and hours and to the minute of when to make the vision board and when to not touch it. Where to display it versus not. What each section represents and how it should interconnect with one another, and specifically how it should connect to your life. After 15 years of experimenting with different layouts, trust me, I have done probably every possible vision board combination out there. My boards didn't start working until I started learning into the roots of vision boards' history and wisdom, where the colors came from, what sections were originally meant to represent, and how they could be applied in modern times. Also, how each section needs to change its location depending on specific year. Mindset and psychology around manifestation is another passion of mine, and when I layered the knowledge of both domains, the board became powerful. And the board prep work became a process I look forward to every year. For now, I will share a tip. Your vision board and its energy is for your eyes only. Maybe for your immediate family, but do hide it when there are guests in the house, and certainly do not share it all over the social media. Second, do not put it in the bathroom or worse, next to your toilet room. These are water energy places, and your dream's going to be, in simple terms, flush down the toilet. Those are the top 5, in my experience, reasons and elements that improve and compromise the chances of your vision board effectiveness. Additionally, in all my years of studying energy and manifestation techniques and various modalities, I strongly believe that when done correctly, vision boards are incredible tools to unfold your life in the desired fashion. If you're interested in the topics that combine modern practical solutions rooted in deep wisdom and quantum energy, please subscribe. I will see you soon.